Hello, everyone. I am not Kher Singh. I am his film. Yes, you heard that right. I am a digital version of him, designed of thing, talk and even respond just like he do. But how I was treated well. Let me take you behind the scenes.
So you might get shocked to see the first video, but actually it's not me. It's my AI clone. Yeah, you listen it right. I just made my own AI clone. So I just created it with the help of Agent. The process was simple, and I just tell you in the rest video like how I created it. So Agent did the rest thing, syncing my face, my voice, my even my expressions also. Now whatever I didn't feel like recording, I just write a script and my AI clone talks for me. It feels like having a twin who always ready to be on camera. And this is just the beginning. Imagine the possibility when everyone can have their own AI version. So let's begin. So open the Hazen and just directly scroll down and you will find an option that create a new avatar and just click on that. After clicking, you will get the instruction video like how you can record your voice and any of the video that you want, and that's how you can create it. There are some instructions that you have to keep in mind that how you're gonna create this, how this will work, and you have to upload the video also. In the next step, there are some steps you got to know about how you can create your video. I am showing it on the screen by you zooming it every time, and you should better know how you can make a proper AI avatar from it. Next step, you have to upload your video, like a proper video in 4K 30 FPS. Like I just uploaded a 4K 30 FPS video over there, and you have to upload it like they have shown in the previous steps. Like you should properly upload it, otherwise your AI clone will not get ready properly. 'So hey everyone. You might be wondered why Hagen asked for verification before creating an AI avatar. Well, it's all about safety and authenticity. By confirming your identity, giving consent, Hagen makes sure that AI avatar is being created by a real person, not someone pretending to be you. This protects your image and your voice from being misused and ensure that the avatar truly represents you. So the verification step is basically a way to keep AI avatars safe, legal, and genuine viewers. So this is to avoid the deepfake videos also.
6 hours later.
The fifth step is going to be the review stage where I can clearly see how both the audios and the video qualities of my recording has been assured. The check confirm important elements like strong background contrast, natural facial expressions, and steady body movements, which ensures the avatar will look realistic and engaging on the audio sides. It highlights clarity while pointing out areas such as reducing background noise and help the output sound more professional. It's also remind me of the minimum 2 minutes footages requirement, which is crucial for building a complete and accurate digital model. Although this review step is designed to make sure my recording meets all the standard before submission, also the AI created and this will be authenticate and high quality as possible. So while my AI is getting ready, let me quickly share the plan behind this for content creators. The whole idea is to make the process smooth and professional. So here are the plan that I'm going to show on the screen. Like for the content creators, there are the $24 monthly plan, which is around 2100 rupees in India. And this will make it more professional. As you can see, clearly see, there are some of the things that they have provide like 30 minutes of video that you can create it 4K 180p 180p, like this kind of things that you will get if you purchase the plans. And there are some professional plans also, like you have to communicate with the team to get those plans, which is kind of a postpaid, something like that. These, yeah, actually takes a lot of time to process anything. Come on, like one
One
eternity
eternity
later.
later.
So my AI is now ready, and this is the most exciting part because here everything is in my hand.
Hey,
The
Kairav
system
Singh
has
Mahal, your
already done
digital
its
twin
job
is
pretty
ready.
good.
Try creating videos with it. Also,
Process the
click the
video,
feedback
check the
button
audio,
to
make
share what
sure
you think.
everything
Hope
looks
you enjoy.
professional. Now it's
Hola,
my turn to take this AI and edit it according to me. My own way, my own creativity, and my own version. That's the beauty of this process. The technology gave me a strong base. So when I think about it, it's exactly what a content creator needs. Because many of the time we spend so much energy worrying about the technical side, how the lighting looks, how the sound came, and if the background is right. But with the AI setup, these parts are already taken care of. It tell me what's good, what need improvement, and then deliver a clear result. That means it can now focus on what really matters, the story I want to tell, the message I want to send, and the style that make my content unique. So now I'm going to take this AI output and turn it into my outro. That outro isn't just a regular ending, it's going to represent me as a creator. I will be adding my own edits, my own touch, the kind of flow energy that matches my personality.
thanks for watching till the end. If you like this, don't forget to drop a like share it with your friend, hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Until next time, creatives, stay curious, and I'll catch you one